What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do a quick 2-minute video on how to swap clips without creating gaps and or overriding the clip that you're trying to exchange it with. Now let's get started. Now if you head down here in the timeline, you'll notice I have a group of clips, and I'm going to grab this tan clip that's highlighted, and I want to swap it with the purple one that's to the left. So if I just grab the tan clip and I slide it over and snap it in front where the purple one is, and I just let go, that'll override whatever duration is there underneath of the purple, and then it's also going to create a gap here, which I do not want. So I'm going to Command Z and undo that. I'm going to grab it once again with the mouse. If I slide it over, snap it in the front where I want. If I do the keyboard modifier, Option and Command, you'll notice that the icon changed. Now there's a blue arrow going forward and also a blue rewind arrow. So that's telling me that the purple clip is going to go forward, and then it's going to bring the tan clip that I've highlighted and bring it to the left and place it here. So I'm going to let go of the mouse first before I let go of the keys. It completely swapped, and there you go. Now you can also do this with clips that are not associated with each other. Let's just say that this first blue clip here, I want to place in the middle here at the end of the purple and before the yellow. If I do the same thing, grab it, bring it out, click Option Command, you see the exact same thing and let go. Not only did it place it there, it slid the entire left side back to the front, so there's not a gap here at the front. Just be careful when you're doing this with clips with audio. Make sure that when you place it over, it doesn't override any audio. If you have to, separate the audio and put it on another track below. This will matter if you're in the middle of an edit and you already have an audio track down there, you have sound effects, you have something else down there on the second and third line of audio, that you don't override that. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this quick 2-minute tip, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel. Have a good one. Later.